Welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss 50 GKGS questions. So the first question is which of the following tributaries of Ganga meets Patna near Sonpur? The answer is Gandak. And second question, where did Gautam Buddha receive Mahaparinirvana? The correct answer is Kushinagar. And the third question, which articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the formation of new state and the alteration of the area, boundaries or names of the existing states? The That article is Articles 3. And the next question is, and who was appointed as the constitutional advisor, legal advisor of the Constituent Assembly? The B.N. Rao was the constitutional legal advisor. Next question, the India has been the celebrating as National Consumer Day. The India में National Consumer Day 20 December 24 को celebrate किया जाता है. That's the correct answer. The reason is the uh, India celebrate National Consumer Day on the December 24 every year. This day marks the enactment of the consumer protection. Now next question is, which respiratory organism provide more energy? The correct answer is aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration presence of the oxygen that causes the providing them more energy. Next question, the presiding the officer of the Lok Sabha is the presiding the officer of the Lok Sabha is the Speaker of Lok Sabha. That's correct answer. Okay, now next question, Lok Sabha is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha. Next, what does the book Aryabhatiya deals with? Aryabhatiya deals with the astronomy books. Astronomy is the correct answer. Then you can say that the Aryabhati is the ancient Indian text, and the astronomy and the mathematician. It was written by the mathematician Aryabhata. Next question is there. What does the book Aryabhati deals? The astronomy. Now, next question. During a cyclonic storm, the abnormal rise in sea level is known as a storm surge. Next, second, part 5 of the Indian Constitution is related with. Part 5 is related to the union government, and the part 6 is related to the state government. We can see part B means that the part 5 of the Indian Constitution is dedicated to the union outline structure and the functioning of the union government. It encompasses the articles from the 52 to 151. Part 5 is continuously the 50 articles number 52 to 151 detailing the roles of the powers of the president, vice president, prime minister, council of the ministers, parliament, and the judiciary. This part is the crucial for the understanding how the executive, legislature, and the judicial branch of the union government operates and interacts. It lays down the framework of the functioning and the central government and the relationship with the states. Second question, food grains like the wheat and rice brought by the government through the Food Corporation of the India FCI. Easy question. That's called the buffer stocks, safe stores. And the next question. In the second round tables, the conference held in 1931, which of the following freedom fighter represent Congress? That's called the Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. On the South American continent, that is the largest country in terms of the population. In the South American country, the largest population in the Brazil. Second question, who was the successor to the Lord Wavell of the Viceroy of British India? The correct answer is the Lord Mountbatten was the correct answer. Next, second, the which of the following works on the basis of electromagnetic induction, the generator? Second, what is the minimum age of the appointing the state governor in India? That's very easy question, 35 years. That's correct answer. Second, what is the quality that prevent the flow of the electrons in the conduct? That's a very again easy question, the science question. That the resistance is the resistance to prevent the flow of the electrons in the current flow of the electricity. Second, what is formed when the metal combines with oxygen? Metal oxide. The World Heritage Site, the stupa of the Greater Sanchi was the structure. It's called the Asoka. The Wimbledon Open Grand Slam tennis tournament was held in the I think the correct answer is London. That's sure. The correct the Wimbledon the championships in 2018 be held in the London. The Wimbledon is one of the four Grand Slam tennis tournament in the to the other beings of the Australia Open, to the French Open and the US Open. Second question: Dash is the related to the separation of the judiciary from the executive. That's a very interesting question that's related to the Indian Constitution. I think I sure the Article 15 is the correct answer. And the second, who was the viceroy of Indian during the first round table conference? Again, very easy question. The Lord Irwin. Here we want to explain about the Article 17, Article 13, Article 19. Article 17 about related to the discharge of the president's functions in order contingencies. I think you get it. My point, the related to the discharge of the president's function in the order contingency. Means that the impeachment, we can say that. And Article 30 related to the rights of the minority establishment and administrative educational institution. You got it very easily. And the Articles 90, the vacations and the registrations of and the removal from the office and the deputy chairman. Now next, Lord Irwin have been done. Next question. So, which of the following country was the overall champion in the 18th Asian Games? The 18th Asian Games is happened in the China. Correct. Which of the following related to gymnastics? Deepa Karmakar is the correct answer. And according to the ranking of the World Happiness Report 2018, which of the following country is the latest? Latest, the correct answer is the Burundi. And where are the Nagarjuna caves located in Bihar? Correct. Easy questions. Rainfall occurs in the coastal area of the Tamil Nadu for the beginning of the winter due to the region. Due to the northeastern monsoon. That's correct. And who among the following is honored with the highest overall performance in the Inter-University Tournament of India? Inter-University Tournament Award is the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy, because Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the first president of first education minister of India. And which of the following is found in the sea cow or Dungon? The correct answer, Gulf of Mannar. Second, in the increasing order of the atomic mass in the periodic tables, the Mendeleev's domestic and the Leibniz Mendeleev's correct answer. And in which of the following state of the India Lord Mahavir National Park situated? Lord Mahavir Indian National Park is situated in Goa. Correct answer. Budapest is situated on the bank of the river Danube. And who founded the Ascetic Society of Bengal in 1784? Charles Wood, David Green, Sir William Jones, Sir John Sayre. I sure Sir William Jones. Correct answer. In 1929, full Swaraj was accepted in the Lahore session. In the Congress organized by the Congress, there the correct answer is Lahore. Nagpur, Karachi appearance, Lahore is correct answer. In 1929, the Lahore session was held. Second, next, which house of the Indian Parliament is elected by the people directly? The correct answer is Lok Sabha. Who was the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. The word lead is related to the which sports? Badminton, tennis, kabaddi, volleyball. I think kabaddi. What is the product of the mass and the velocity? The mass is the momentum is equal to mass into velocity. And who is the contemplated of the drafting committee address it with a new word drafting committee? And the Naziruddin Ahmad. Tropically, cyclones are also known as the typhoon, is from the Japan. And the newspaper Kesari was published by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The Rural Employment Generation Program (REGP) was started in 1995. Correct answer. Which gland is secreted to the hormones? The pituitary gland, adrenal, ovaries, and thyroid. Pituitary gland is providing the growth hormones. Adrenal is the reflex action control over the ovaries is the producing the estrogen hormones, and the thyroid gland is the thyroxine hormones. The correct answer is pituitary gland. Budapest. Second, next, badminton and momentum have been completed. And the which of the completed I'm drafting the Najiruddin Ahmad. And Japan is the correct answer. And the newspaper case was published to the home Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay. Next, second, the 1995 it was also done. Which gland secrete the growth hormone is the pituitary gland. And which acids commonly called the acetic acids is related to the group called the carbolic acid. Carboxylic acid is related to the ethonic acid. And the Hill Area Development Programs were started in the fifth 5-year program. Drafting committee was established in the year of the drafting the constitutions in 1947. The Lord waterfall is situated in the state Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand correct answer. And in 2018 dash reached the FIFA Men's Football World Cup for the first in Croatia. Which of the following leads to the various part of the following body from the heart? Arteries. Arteries is correct answer. Arteries supply all the oxygenated blood from the overall body. And the cloud of the dust and the gas inside the galaxy is called the nebula. That's done. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today complete the 50 GK GS questions, and thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.